Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Sally. If you guys haven't been here, welcome. We love everyone. So today's video, we got a SHEIN haul. SHEIN haul. I got a lot of like underwear, and I'm debating to show you guys here on YouTube how they look because I don't know if I'm gonna like get you know, here on YouTube they don't like that. They don't like that much. But I did get like some dresses, and I think I got like a top or a couple of tops as well, so I will show you that. Very excited what I got in this SHEIN haul. Then let's go ahead and tune into that video. I did get like a couple of like underwears, but they're more like Spanx because I'm getting like a little bit on the bigger side. I'm trying to work on it. I did work out. I've been watching what I eat. I'm watching my calories. It's just, you know, I sit at a desk all day, so it's not helping. Oh no, this is a blazer. Oh, so I did get a bunch of like what do you call it? We call them fajas. What are they called in English? Under shapewear. There we go. I did buy a couple shapewear, and I'm debating to show you. Well, we'll see. We'll figure it out. But I did want a cute blazer because I don't have a black one. I mean, I have a pink one. This one's cute. This one's also from SHEIN. I actually really like it. It's a pink blazer, but I don't have a black one. And I kind of have to, I'm saying very loosely, have to be kind of professional at work. That depends mostly like on business calls when I need to do it. It's a very, look, it's very see-through. Can you see me? Hello. Very see-through, but it's just a cute blazer. I think this was super inexpensive. It does have some padding, so I'm going to debate if I want the padding or not. If I don't want it, I'm just going to remove it. More short than long because I do have a smaller torso, longer leg, and I think this was super inexpensive. I did have some coupons that I applied to it, but even with the coupons, I think it was still like on sale, or it was a flash sale or something. This was $5.19, this blazer. So yeah, let's go see how it looks. Okay, and here is the blazer. I think it fits me like perfectly. I don't know about these shoulder pads. I'm not a big fan of them. I might just snip them off. But other than that, I think it's a really cute blazer. I think it does fit me like perfectly. It fits me good. It's nice and cropped. It's not super long. Like I said, I don't have anything like black, like any blazers like this, so I'm excited to have it. But I think I'm going to take off the shoulder pads because these shoulder pads, look at how in they are compared to like my shoulder. Like they should have been, yeah, no, I'm gonna take off the shoulder pad, and then I think they would be like extra cute. I think it would be cute. I think it would look good. I also got this. I'll show you the underwear in a little bit. This I wanted to get for work as well. Oh, it has a cute duster. Okay, and this is just a cute little bag for, I wanted to do it for my laptop when I'm coming into work and out of work, and it says sustainable moment. It's really pretty brown corduroy, and it has an adjustable bigger, so it is just a really cute bag, corduroy bag. It's gonna fit my laptop perfectly. Any other things that I need? Okay, it has one zipper in, hard to tell because it's black, but it has one zipper inside, and it's just a big tote, and I thought it was really pretty corduroy tote to fit on my computer when I do need to bring it, because sometimes I don't finish my work at work and I need to bring it home, and this, I hate when it happens. I hate it. But sometimes I do need to bring it home, or like on the weekends I need to work. So I think I'm just gonna leave this in my filing cabinet, and then when I need to bring my laptop, I'll just use this because I'm tired of like carrying a big backpack. I just want to carry little purses to work now, so that's what I'm doing. Oh, and that tote bag was $5.46. And I got this pink hem, I think it's a squirt. I think it's a squirt. I thought it was super cute, and it was $8.24. And look at how cute this pink squirt is. Look at it. It's adorable. I got it in the size 1XL. I usually wear XL, 1X, mostly XL, but you know, SHEIN is always like on the smaller side, but it is very stretchy, so I think it's gonna fit me perfectly. They are shorts, as you can tell, but in the front it's really freaking cute. And let's go ahead and try it on. So here are the pink shorts. I think they are so adorable. They do have a little crease, but I think if we just iron this out, it would be good. You can see my stomach a little bit. I'm wondering if I should have a little bit of shapewear underneath. Here is the cutout, so it does have like a little cutout, so you can see that they are shorts, and I just paired it with like a cute white top. I thought it would be cute. Here is the back of it. See, they're just shorts, and it's super comfy, and it still has room. For being like 1XL, it still has a lot of room. I just thought it was really cute, and I like the material. The waistband is pretty good. I think it's cute. This is cute. What you think? Let me know down below. Okay, then I got this dress. This was literally has been in my cart for months, and I was debating to buy. I was like, should I buy it? Should I not buy it? Should I buy it? Should I not buy it? I'm glad I bought it because it's so freaking cute. It is dragon printed on the front. It is a black and red dress, and then it kind of scrunches in the front, and then it has a really pretty lettuce on like the very ends. It is a scoop neck. I thought this was so cute. I think this is a XL, 0XL. I thought it was just super, super cute, and I think this is going to complement me so well. And then I get the shapewear for underneath if I actually need it. But yeah, this is so freaking cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited for it. This one. And this one was $9.11. Oh, and it has a crisscross back as well. This was $9.99, but I got it for $9.11 with my coupon. So I'm really excited for this one. Okay, so first of all, this is super, super cute. This neckline, the scoop neck. I think I just need some boob tape, and then I can easily just make myself get cleavage. I think it'd be really, really cute. I like how this it has an elastic in your waist, so it can look like you have a small waist, and then it does flare out at the bottom. You see it's right there. Let me wear some heels so you could see. Okay, so you see how it just like, it looks so freaking cute at the bottom. I think this is really pretty. I do have my stomach is out, but if imagine me skinnier, I think it would look a lot better. Look at how cute this is. Like, look at how cute this is. This is freaking adorable, and it was like 10 bucks. I think I'm gonna wear the shapewear so it can be out a little bit. You can see the difference. So this is no shapewear whatsoever, and then I do have some shapewear later on in the haul that you will see. So this is like, you see how cute? This is adorable. Let me know down below what you think in the comments of this dress. I am in love and I love it. I think it's so freaking cute. I think it's so cute. Okay, our first shapewear. This was an underwear shapewear. I was like, what type of shapewear do I want? Most shapewears don't fit through my legs or my thighs because I have big, gigantic thighs. So I was like, okay, what if I just do like a thong underwear? Because I can wear thongs like through most dresses. They're not really gonna show, like through pants, and then just have this, you know, it's super stretchy. I did get these a lot bigger than what I usually am because I know shapewear is very constricting. So this is the shapewear. It is just a thong. I'm not gonna show you how this looks because I'm afraid I'm gonna get demonetized if I show you that. But just know that these thongs, this was $4.12. So if you are looking for shapewear, you can go ahead and check it out. Super, super inexpensive. It looks very good. I might just wear it underneath clothing so you could see. So let's go ahead and see that. I got this in XXL. Okay, let's go see ahead and check it out. Oh, and then I got a bra. I might be able to show you this. Let's just say it's a bikini. It's a bra, but it's a bikini. So this is a, oh, it's already like creased. I wonder if we can take out that crease, because if not, that's gonna show through the, like through the stuff. It like already has a crease in the pad. I don't know if you could see it, but it has a crease right here, and it's kind of annoying, but it's a really pretty color. I think I got this in an XXL. It ties basically in the front, and it's a no wire padded bra. It's a really pretty taupe color. Oh, it's like magnetic. Oh, it's literally a magnet. I thought it was one of those closures where it's a super strong magnet too. I thought it was one of the closers where like clip it in. Those can be a little hard, especially when you're drunk. Those are really hard to get through. Bra was an XL solid wireless bra in apricot, $3.73. The only thing I don't like is that the padding is a little smushed, so I'm hoping we can fix the padding, and you can remove the pads. It does have the little seam so you can take them out. I hate taking these things out because you can never put them back correctly. Okay, so the bra fits. It fits nice. It's not too tight, honestly. Actually, it kind of is on the back. It goes very, very high up, but I think I just need to adjust the straps and I can make it a little bit lower. I do like that it's the closure of the clasps, and I actually really like this. I think they're cute. We're good. Ooh, this is another shapewear. This was also underwear, and this one's really high and really thick. See, this is like a full body one, and this is a bigger underwear. And this was in the size XXL, so 2X. I told you I got these a lot bigger than what I usually am because I want to fit in this and not just be like dying, you know? So this is gonna stretch out pretty good. So if you're looking for shapewear, go ahead and check it out. This is a different material. It's more breathable. The bands are a little bit thicker. I'm just afraid that like no, I think it'll be fine. I think it'll be fine. And this was $4.12. Okay, so here is the before without no shapewear. Look at that. Okay, let's do, this is no shapewear. Let's try this one. This one's really thick. So I'm gonna go put it on. See, it is on. It's very tight, but you know what? It fits me pretty good. I'm glad I like sized up 2 sizes. It did slim me out. Oh, it does look a lot better actually. You can't even tell that I have the shapewear on. Can you? No? Oh, I forgot to show you the back. This has crisscross in the back. It did slim me out a lot, like a lot. I'm so shocked. Here is the after. Oh, let's do it this way. Here is the after, and it did slim me out like a lot. Can you tell? This is so freaking cool. I mean, you can still see like my belly a little bit, but if I scrunch it and then scrunch this, like I have an hourglass when I usually don't have one. And then with the heels, oh my god, this looks good. Like, I'm shocked of how good this looks. Yeah, so this is a win. The shapewear, the dress, I wish you could see me full body. I wonder if I can. So this is how I look. Don't mind the mess. Look at how freaking cute it looks with the shapewear. I mean, it is just like adorable. Like this dress and the shapewear, I feel good. Like I feel beautiful and hot right now. Okay, let's do the next item. Hold on. Let's do a strike a pose. Okay, this one has literally been in my cart for like almost a year, and then it went on sale. I got a notification saying, hey, one of your items in this cart is in sale, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get it because I love the color purple. It is a high neck. I love how high necks look on me. This is my favorite color actually, like this lilac purple, my favorite color of all time. And I thought it was just gonna be so super pretty. It is in the size large and it is mesh. I think even in the summer I could still wear this and be comfortable, and it's very breathable. It's very stretchy. Like this has some stretch to it, so I don't feel like so confined in it. And it is just a really pretty bodysuit with some mesh detail here at the top. So the mesh is at the top going in at an angle, and I thought it was just really pretty. And I'm telling you, it's literally been in my cart for like a year, and I just never pulled the trigger, and then it went on sale for $4, $4.78. So I was like, I'm just gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. It's $4. I'm gonna get it. So I got it. Okay, so here is the purple top. What do y'all think? I am obsessed. Look at how cute it looks. This purple with my skin color. It is all mesh. Honestly, I was burning up in this room and I feel a lot cooler in this material. Here is the back of it. I think it is so freaking adorable. Like, it is adorable. You cannot even tell that I'm wearing my nipple covers because of how like nice the material is. It does not snap on me at all because it's just sized up to like an XL or a double XL to snap, but I like the fit of how snatched like I look in this. Like, I think it's so pretty, and this color is so freakingly gorgeous, this color. So yeah, so let me know what you think down below. I am in love. I love this. I think it's so freaking cute. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Okay, 2 more things. So I did get these scrunchies. I've been into pink lately, which I never have been. I was always into purple and browns, and then lately this year I'm really into like hot pink and sorry, my dog is like outside my door. I'm really into like hot pink and orange. Are for your wrist. They're scrunchies. Just when you go ahead and wash your face, they fit on your wrist and absorb all the water. And I actually use like real scrunchies, but my scrunchies are getting kind of gross because of it. So I was like, might as well just buy the thing. It's not super inexpensive, and then I can go ahead and just, you know, wash my hands whenever I need to. For $1.48. So I thought it was really cute, super soft and adorable. Okay, and then the last thing was another shapewear. This is also in the size XXL. I got these 2 sizes up because just, you never know, you know. Oh, I like this one actually a lot. This material is a little more stretchy, and this is more thong-like, which is to my liking. Black mesh. I think I'm gonna like this one a lot, and it does stretch out pretty good, and it's very compressive. Like, I feel like the beige one is the most one that's gonna be like cinches you in, but these are more breathable, kind of every day. It was $2.46. So if you are needing some shapewear, go ahead and check out SHEIN. They're super inexpensive. I don't know how long they're gonna last. The quality is so-so. It's $3, so let's go ahead and try it on. Okay, so I do want to show you, this is for the shapewear, and you can tell my stomach is right here. So this is before shapewear. I'm gonna try on the black ones. So this does cover most of my stomach, which is pretty good. They are very thong-like, so I'm not gonna show you that. But after, I think it does slim me out, like a lot actually. And I think that you cannot see like my stomach right here. Okay, hold on. I think I actually really like the shapewear. I think it's cute. The back you can see a little bit, but like I'm not so worried about the thong line so much. And I'm actually really comfy in the shapewear. Like I don't really feel like I'm wearing it. Like it feels like it's just compression, but I don't feel like I'm wearing it, if that makes sense. Okay, I like the shapewear. I like the shapewear. Okay, and that was my SHEIN haul. Let me know down below in the comments what your favorite item was of this haul. The purple top is super, super cute. The dress is super, super cute. Shapewear, you know. Okay. Anyways, thank you so much for coming. My name is Sally. If you guys do like these types of videos, my goal for this year is to reach 3,000 subscribers before my 3rd year here on YouTube, and my 3rd year is November 21st. I think we might be able to make it with your guys' help. It would mean so much to me if we do. And then once I do meet 3,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do like this huge giveaway with a bunch of cool stuff in it. So go ahead and subscribe if you do like these types of videos. It would mean the world to me if you do. Go ahead and like the video. It really does help on my channel so much. Click the little notification bell before you leave so you can be notified of all my future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.